Right, thank you very much.
Thank you. Right, first one was for building for multiple targets, whether that's on the same platform or individual, which may be running the same or similar code. Scaling of CI for small teams with low build rates. Ensuring trust, getting to a habit of it's always green, but then it doesn't work, or alternatively, it's always red, and it annoys people. And then getting into a mindset where you can't let red being okay take hold. Time and cost, unit testing, static analysis doesn't earn any money where products do. So you need examples and proof where it's worked to be able to invest into automation. There's a different skill set. It's going from manual testing, where people are just pushing buttons, to actually people who are able to write scripts for the automation. Engineers are notoriously bad at estimating how long it takes to create something. They're even worse at writing tests. So it's difficult to set expectations. And if you do just get a red, just going back to one of the previous ones, if you get sort of red, one happy face, it just ends up getting retagged as a beta version. Tools, when you're starting out, it's difficult to know what the tools are available, what are going to be the best tools for you, so there's a learning curve there. And then, yeah, go back to scaling as well, so basically automation is the starting point for CI. And it's always quite easy to, and again, cost, it's always easy to question the expense of CI, but what's the true value of it when you can least afford not to have it?